Hi friends, welcome to Ganit Baba channel. In this session, we are going to cover the topic on quadratic equation, that is how to find the roots of the quadratic equation in few seconds using quicker method. So we all know that standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here we are supposed to find x1 and x2, where x1 and x2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Here, one very important thing we need to know, that is in the right corner I had put one table. Here, this is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and the left block indicates that the signs of the b and c, and the right block indicates the signs of the roots. This is smallest root and biggest root sign. So if b and c are plus plus, roots will be minus minus, and if it is minus plus, roots will be plus plus, and if it is plus minus, then roots will be plus minus, that is smallest root will be plus and biggest root will be minus, and if it is minus minus, the smallest root will be minus and biggest root will be plus. Okay, so this table plays very important role in solving the quadratic equations. So whenever you're going for examination in the rough sheet, before starting the exam, you can put this table. So it's very important table, note down it. And so let's jump into the problems directly. So here I took one problem, that is 2x square minus 2x square minus 13x plus 20 equal to 0. So first I will solve this using traditional method, and later we will see quicker method. So you will find the difference. So first we will go by traditional method, that is 2 into 20 is 40. So and here b is minus 30. So we need to find the roots, like we can write minus 13 as minus 8 and minus 5, that product is equal to 40. So we can rewrite this quadratic equation as 2x square minus 8x minus 5x plus 20 equal to 0. What we will do here, in traditional method, we will take 2x common, and this is x minus 4, and this is we'll take minus as common, that is x minus 4 equal to 0. Then we will get x minus 4 equal to 0, 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So we will get x is equals to 4 and x is equals to 5 by 2. This is the traditional method which we will follow. It takes much time, so we will go for a quicker method. So I will take the same problem and solve using quicker method. Okay, let's take the same problem. So that is 2x square minus 13x plus 20 is equals to 0. See here, we have the equation as 2x square minus 13x plus 20. From this table directly we can tell that if it is minus plus, then roots will be plus plus. Okay, we will find the roots. Okay, now it is 40. So minus 13. We need to divide this number in such a way that the product should be equal to 40 and their addition or subtraction should be equal to minus 13. So here we can have minus 8 and minus 5. If you multiply this, 8 5 is 40, minus minus plus, so it is 40. Minus 8 minus 5 means minus 13 you are getting. So in this method, what we are supposed to do, we need to divide by the coefficient of x square, that is a, that is with minus symbol, that is 2 is there, and it's with minus symbol it will be minus 2, and this will be minus 2, and we will get it as 4, and we will get it as 2.5. So with this table, as minus plus, it is plus plus, 4 and 2.5. So see here, in hardly it takes 2 steps, and in less than 10 seconds you can do that. Okay, Next, see some of the problems with the different signs. Okay, I will go to next problem. Let's take root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. From the table, we can say that if it is plus plus, then roots will be minus minus. Okay, so here again 5 into root 2 is equal to 10. Okay, so 7 is there, it is plus. We need to divide this 7 in such a way that product should be equal to 10 and their addition or subtraction is equal to 7. So we can divide like 5 and 2. And next, what we need to do, we need to divide it by this a, that is coefficient of xl with minus symbol, that is root 2, and this is root 2. So the roots will be minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. So as from the table, we can say that plus plus, that is roots will be minus minus. Okay, we'll go to next problem. So next problem is 2x square plus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. So from the table itself, we can tell that if it is plus minus, roots will be plus minus. Smallest root will be plus and biggest root will be minus. Okay, now it is 10. 2 into 5 is 10 and this is 3. And we need to divide this number such that product should be equal to 10 and their addition or subtraction will be equal to 3. So here we can get as this is minus 10. Okay, as this 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. So 3. So we can divide like 5 and minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 5 into minus 2 is 10. So what we need to do, we need to divide this by with the coefficient of x square, that is a with the negative symbol minus 2 and minus 2. So we will get as 5 minus 2 is nothing but minus 2.5 and plus 1. So with the table, if it is plus minus, the biggest root will get minus symbol and the smallest root will get plus symbol. So we can say minus 2.5 and plus 1. Okay, we'll go to next problem. So this is x square minus 3x minus 10. From the table, we can tell that if it is minus minus, roots will be minus and plus. So here directly we can tell that this is minus 10 and this is minus 3, this is b. So we need to divide this number in such a way that the product should be equal to minus 10 and their sum should be equal to minus 3. That is, we can write it as minus 5 and plus 2. Minus 5 into 2 is minus 10 and minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. So what we need to do, we need to divide by the coefficient of x square with negative symbol, that is 1. This is minus 1 and this is minus 1 means plus 5 and minus 2. So with the table we are verified. If it is minus minus, the roots will be plus minus and the biggest root will be plus and minus, so smallest will be with the negative sign. Okay, we'll go to last problem. Here it is 6x square minus x minus 12. As we see in the last problem, if it is minus minus, biggest root will get plus and smallest root will get negative sign. So we'll solve this method. Okay, so here 12 6 72, that is minus 72. Okay, here it is coefficient of x is, it is b minus 1. So we need to divide this number in such a way that product should be equal to minus 72 and its addition or subtraction equal to minus 1. Okay, we can have minus 9 and plus 8. Okay, minus 9 into 8 is minus 72, minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1. So we are satisfying this condition. So we need to divide this by with the coefficient of x square with the negative symbol, that is minus 6, and this is minus 6. Okay, so the symbols will get cancelled, and this will be 3 by 2, and this will be 4 by 3, that is 3 by 2 comma minus 4 by 3. Okay, so from the table we verified the things. If it is minus minus, the biggest root will get plus symbol and the smallest root will get minus symbol. Okay, as you saw the problems, the table is verified. So this table plays very important role. Note down this table and practice this table. I hope you people understood this concept. By solving more and more problems, you will be able to find the roots of the quadratic equation quickly using this method. If you have any suggestions, please do comment in comment box. Please do like and subscribe to my channel Ganit Baba. Thank you.